Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can remove a watermark on CapCut PC. So for instance, this little thing is a watermark. I'm just going to copy and paste the video, and I'm going to freeze frame it. Then I am going to select the AI remove, and I'm just going to use a brush. You do need CapCut Pro for this. I'll just use the brush here. Oh, it's still recognizing. And I'm just going to select this, and for instance, this is the watermark. I'm just going to select all that and press remove, and I'm just going to wait for it to remove, and we're just going to like crop it out, like crop everything out, and just like leave this here. Okay, so as you can see, it's gone. I'm just going to add a mask on this video. On the like section here. It's not going to be perfect though, because it's like a moving video, so you kind of like have to do some stuff like if you're moving a lot. But yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.